Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you've already seen the club set for this month, Dragonflies to Stamp. That's the stamp set and that's the die set, but there is an add-on because you know me, chances are if I get started designing, you never know what's going to happen, and I had way more I needed to design. So I designed it, the More Dragonflies to Stamp. I included the shadow, or not the shadow, I'm sorry, the solid stamps. Those of you that don't like to color, now's your chance to get those solid stamps to stamp on the inside so you don't have to color your dragonfly. I've also included some fun swirls, a new dragonfly, the words "You're Pretty Wonderful," and then also "My Friend," and some fun little dots and some I just love it. Now, of course, there's dies that match. And the dies that match are fun because you get those fun swirls, but you're also getting these little dies. Those little dies are dots, and they just kind of imprint. They just kind of like emboss the paper, and it's like dot, 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 dot. But the best part about it is not only can you use it anywhere on your card, you can also use it on the inside of their wings, which is really fun. And I have a fun sample to share with you on that. In fact, I want to share that sample with you first. There we go. So here we go, and I know it's hard to see on camera, but in real life, those dot, dot, dots are on the background, and it's just really fun. It just really adds a fun little technique. The next item I'm going to share with you is so awesome. I mainly designed it for myself, so all of you can just close your eyes. But I designed this one because I needed a big flower, mainly for my banners that I always like to do, but I just needed one. And so I designed this gorgeous flower, and it's so new I don't even have the real packaging, but this gorgeous flower that technically is a 5x7 fold it, but you know what? You can use it anywhere. You can use it in your home decor, you can use it on your scrapbook pages, on your banners, or you could even make it a card. And the fun thing is the card is, if you really don't want to say too much, look how much is in the inside. You can just barely say anything, but it's just so gorgeous. That was my big thing. Now, Michelle on our design team loves to do 3D items. She's the one that did this fun little jar home decor. Well, this home decor item is gorgeous using our dies. So we have our big bow. Can you see the bit here? Let me pull this out. The big bow out of felt, you can kind of see, but these flowers are this flower. She's die cut it out of our wool felt, sewn it together, but she has little pieces of wire on the inside, so you can literally manipulate this flower any way you want. Is that adorable or what? So easy, you'd never think to do it, but so impactful. It just makes it so cute. So that's going to go in my home decor section. So let's look at some of our samples. So here we have our cute little dragonfly. That's a different angle. That's on the separate set. Here's a fun one using all 3 dragonflies. So we have this one and that one are in the club, and this is on the add-on set. Here's a fun one. Remember, we give you the dies that die cut exactly the image and with a little bit of shadow. So here's a fun one with just the image die cut and those fun swirls, which those swirls you are going to fall in love with. Now here's one using the fill-in solid dies as part of the background, which is so impactful and gorgeous. Here's one using our cute little dragonfly in a fun little swirl with a beautiful painted background. Now let's look at those flowers. Those flowers are so gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And the fun thing is each and every one is going to be completely different. So this one is black and yellow. This one is green. Then, oh, and this one adds our cute little bee. Our bee is so popular. Then you can add even a parrot if you want to. So cute. Turn it into a card or a tag. This would be the perfect tag. Here it is, just a little card like that. Here is a fun one doubling up. So you have 2 layers of that flower and put them offset so they can see both of them. I love that. Here's another, oh look, 2 designers came up with the love bug. That love bug fits perfect with these guys, doesn't it? Isn't that cute? I love that. And then look at this one. This is using our flower pot fold it with the flower on top. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and you can watch that video to find out all the things you're missing out on. But you know what? You can join today. It's as easy as that. And if I went too fast on any of these, because I know I talk fast, if I went too fast on these, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery. So just go to the product you want to see, click on view product gallery, and you can see all of the gorgeous creations. I will see you there at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.